life, and the way we see things. Life is a journey. Every day we think, feel, and make choices. These choices show who we are and what we believe. Some people say life is hard. Others say life is beautiful. The truth is, life is both. It depends on how we see it. Some people choose to be polite. They speak with kindness, even when others are not kind. A polite person understands that peace begins with how we treat each other. Being polite does not mean being weak. It means choosing love over anger. But not all people make the same choice. Some are rude. They speak with no care and act with no respect. A rude heart is often full of fear or pain. Still, we can choose not to answer with more rudeness. Silence can be wiser than a loud word. We must also be careful, not only with our actions but with our thoughts. Every thought is a seed. If we are careful with our words, we can create peace. If we are careless, we may hurt someone without knowing. A single word can change a person's day or even their life. Sometimes we make mistakes. We do or say something that does not feel right. We feel embarrassed. But that moment of embarrassment can teach us. It shows us where to grow, where to improve. In this way, mistakes are not the end. They are part of the path. In life, there is no shame in being wrong. To be wrong means you tried, and to try is better than to do nothing. When we are open, we can learn. And one day, what was once wrong becomes correct, not because someone told us, but because we understood deeply. Many people think life is too complicated, but maybe life is not so hard. Maybe we are the ones who complicate it. We carry too many thoughts, too much fear, too much anger. When we let go, we begin to see the beauty again. Life becomes simple when we choose simplicity. Still, it is normal to feel worried. We worry about time, love, money, health. But worry is like a rocking chair. It moves a lot, but takes us nowhere. Trust the process. Breathe. Be present. Sometimes we feel guilty. We think of the past and say, I should have done better. But guilt is not a place to live. It is only a sign that our heart is awake. And when the heart is awake, we can begin again. In the end, life gives us all these feelings and choices. What we do with them is what makes the difference.
Like and subscribe to the channel.